Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1897, an article was printed in the Virginia Gazette reminding citizens of city ordinances. Violations included tying a horse to a tree, throwing waste in the gutters, and driving through the streets at a speed greater than 5 miles per hour. This week in 1898, Postmaster Ware announced that it would be necessary to attach a 2-cent stamp on all money orders, stating that this will help secure the funds needed to support military efforts in the Spanish-American War. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.